it's decentralized, so they cannot control it. So they really hate it so much. So long story short, in 2017 to 2018, I made a bit of cash, just a bit of cash on I had a Luno account and I had a wallet on there, and that started my journey to exploring how to actually invest. So my strategy was to buy 5 or 6 shares in good companies from different industries. It's also good to hedge against, any losses. So I found different industries, thriving companies, and then I obviously played it safe with them and would monitor my stocks every day or two. And then I saw that what I was making was way more than what I was getting from, like, let's say, my investment account. Because, I mean, there's one share I showed you, it was Anglo Gold. The Anglo Gold, I've kept it for a year and a bit, and I made about 169% return on it. My crypto token, I made 345% return on it. And I mean, that's brilliant. If you look at cryptos right now, Bitcoin has, since inception, 12,660%. Ethereum, 26,617%. So where are you going to hear of any investment in the world that would give you such a return? You'll never hear about it.
And even if you do hear about it, they're not going to sell it to you. Like, the rich guys are going to keep it kind of under, your insurance brokers are going to be like, or your investment brokers are going to be like, hey man, it's the rich guys want to get rich. They're going to keep it to themselves to a point. Like, they want to keep the working man. So it's the financial freedom that it brings is unbelievable.